What does it say? Who's it to? Can you read it?
It's a story.
What does it say right here? What are these letters?
I don't know.
You don't know? What's this letter right here?
L.
What's this letter?
L.
No, this one's an L. What's this letter?
I.
What's this letter?
V.
What does that spell?
Live.
And what's your last name?
2. Let's open it.
Liv. What's your big name? Liv what?
Liv Emerson.
Liv Hilmerson?
Let's open it.
Okay, Dad's gonna get some scissors.
Mommy, don't cut my fingers.
Okay, are you sure?
No.
You want to keep them?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Let's open it. Let's see what's in here.
A present.
You think it's a present?
Yeah.
Who's it for?
There you go. Okay, take it out. What do you see? What's in there?
Ooh, fun.
Is there another box?
Yeah.
Can you get it? Good
We
job.
better open this one.
Oh, there's 2 boxes. There's another box right here.
Wow, Liv.
2 box. Let's open this box.
Okay, we'll open this box first.
And then a little box.
And then a little box after that? Okay.
Yeah. This is my only one. What's in there? What's in
I
there?
don't know. You're going to have to open it and look.
We'll open the little tiny
We'll open this one first, and then we'll open the small one.
It's kind of too big.
Okay, there we go. Can you open that one?
Ooh.
What is it?
What is it, Liv?
Can you tell?
A bunny.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh. Oh. What's up a little tiny one? Freddy, Freddy. Oh. Oh. Sweet. Sweet bunny. Mm. Mm. Oh. They're so sweet.
Okay, there you go. Do you know what that is?
A chick. Oh.
That's right. It's a little chick, huh?
What does the chick say, Liv?
I don't know.
Say chick, chick, chick.
Oh.
Can you say thank you to Grandma? Say thank you, Grandma.
She sent you these.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say, I love them.
I love them. That's so sweet, Mom.
They are so sweet. Wasn't that so nice of Grandma?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to go on a ride.
That's fun.
What's a little box?
Their chick was in the little box.
This one?
Yeah, that's right.
What is a little box?
It's right here. It's all empty. See?
Oh. Thank you. We better... It's full.
It is full.
It's have a chick in it.
That's right.
Put this one in there. Not with a... Not like that.
Be gentle.
I can close this one. Oh, so sweet. Oh. 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 No,
Okay, love you. Bye, Liv. Can you say bye?
No, let me see ya.
It's a video. Love you.